Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain about action of salivary amylase on starch solution. So this is topic from class 12 CBSE practical as well as for understanding the class 10th student for their life process chapter. So here I am going to tell some basic things about salivary amylase experiment. You need sugar solution, okay, that chemical first ingredients we need iodine and sodium chloride, okay. Then here I have prepared solution, salt solution as well as sugar solution for conducting the experiment. What we have to do for taking saliva from our mouth, we need to prepare a cotton filter like that, okay. Then this cotton filter film, thin film you make and just moist with water. After that you can keep this cotton into a funnel. After keeping in funnel, you need to transfer saliva. See here I have taken the saliva from my mouth directly and I am going to filter it here. So after getting filter, we can take this saliva, students, in a separate container. I am removing this. I have already done this experiment. Just setup I have made ready for demo purpose, students. So here I have taken saliva in a test tube in concentration of 5 ml. Okay students, another test tube again you take and add simple water, okay. So you have to prepare the 2 test tube, okay. So here students, I have prepared the 2 test tube with salivary amylase, another with simple water. So for both we are going to add 10 ml of starch solution, sugar solution and 10 ml of NaCl. So 1% actually student you required to complete this experiment. Here this solution you can keep for overnight before conducting this experiment. So after this you add, this is saliva containing test tube and this is without containing saliva. After that you have to go through one more process that here I have completed. You need to heat this both, having the solution of saliva as well as simple sugar solution with water. So again I am repeating everybody, from here I am taking, you have to make this cotton filter, then you have to filter the saliva, take 1 test tube of saliva, another test tube with only water, and then you need to go for the water bath, and after water bath you have to add iodine solution. So here I have completed my experiment because my video is always short and effective for you. So here what I have done, I have added, this is water, plain water without saliva, and here it is having with saliva. So you can easily understand and you can see the differences in the result. So here it is with saliva and changing into bluish color, but here completely iodine is in yellow color. So this proves that starch break down in presence of saliva, okay, and convert into maltose, a simple sugar. Because of changing in maltose, iodine is an indicator which indicate the process. But here saliva is absent, that's why there is no change in the experiment. So this is the short demo for understanding the salivary amylase process by saliva. Suppose here I have taken the saliva, I can show in very short the effect and pH value of. Directly I cannot transfer here, but see my handling what I am going to explain. So you can check the pH value of your saliva. See here, now we can read the pH value of saliva. So actually the pH value of saliva should be 7 or 6.8. It should be basic, alkaline only. Okay, so see here it is going to 7, no changes. Otherwise it will go to the highly green or highly red, it will be acid, highly green it will be base or blue. So no color, so saliva are actually neutral. Okay everybody, thank you for understanding and thank you for watching my video. Please see it and subscribe for further lab related experiment. Thank you everyone.